Welcome back to MotorMind, your go-to channel for the most exciting, unique, and mind-blowing motorhomes out there. If you love big rigs, custom conversions, and living life on the road in serious style, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Now, let's dive into today's incredible motorhome. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most impressive motorhome conversions you'll ever see, the legendary Kenworth W900 Motorhome. This beast isn't just a truck, it's a home on wheels with all the power, luxury, and rugged durability you could ever want. If you've ever dreamed of a high-end motorhome built on a semi-truck chassis, this is the one to watch. The Kenworth W900 is already an icon in the trucking world. It's known for its long nose design, massive horsepower, and ability to haul just about anything. So, what happens when you take this legendary truck and transform it into a fully loaded motorhome? You get a rolling palace that dominates the highway in a way no traditional RV ever could. Starting with the exterior, the W900 motorhome conversion is a showstopper. Picture a gleaming chrome grille, a long wheelbase, and a stunning custom paint job that turns heads wherever it goes. Many owners opt for oversized fuel tanks, giving them an incredible range compared to standard RVs. With the right setup, this machine can travel thousands of miles without stopping for fuel, perfect for long-haul adventurers who don't want to be tied down to frequent gas station stops. The cab itself remains unmistakably Kenworth, but the real magic happens behind it. The sleeper cab is extended or entirely replaced with a custom-built living space, often crafted by high-end RV conversion companies. These builds aren't just about function, they are about luxury, with interiors that rival even the most expensive class motorhomes. Step inside, and you'll find a spacious, high-end living area. Many conversions include leather seating, solid wood cabinetry, and state-of-the-art entertainment systems. Slide-outs maximize interior space, giving you a roomy feel that you wouldn't expect from a truck-based motorhome. The kitchen in a Kenworth W900 motorhome is usually top-tier. Full-size refrigerators, induction cooktops, convection ovens, and even dishwashers can be found in many builds. Countertops are often made from quartz or granite, adding to the luxurious feel. If you love cooking on the road, this setup ensures you won't miss your home kitchen one bit. When it comes to sleeping arrangements, comfort is a top priority. The bedroom area often features a king-size bed, high-end mattresses, and plenty of storage. Some builds include additional bunks or convertible seating for guests. And don't forget the climate control. Many of these motorhomes come with multiple zone heating and cooling to keep you comfortable in any weather. Now, let's talk about bathrooms. Unlike traditional RVs, where you sometimes have to sacrifice space, the W900 motorhome allows for full-size bathrooms with real showers, residential-style toilets, and even double vanities in some cases. With ample fresh and grey water storage, you won't have to worry about stopping at a campground every night just to take a proper shower. Of course, a motorhome of this caliber isn't just about luxury, it's about power and performance. Under the hood, the Kenworth W900 is typically powered by a Cummins X15 or a Caterpillar C15 engine, delivering up to 600 plus horsepower and insane amounts of torque. That means you're never underpowered, whether you're climbing steep mountain passes or hauling a massive trailer full of toys. Speaking of towing, one of the biggest advantages of the Kenworth W900 motorhome over traditional RVs is its towing capacity. Most factory-built RVs struggle when pulling heavy loads, but the W900 is built for it.